Hi everyone, my name is Maria Claudia Ulla. Presentation video. Gestión de datos. 33, 88, Fine, 86. Instructor Jaron de Jesús Mayor Murillo. Here is where my presentation begin. About my daughter. She is my daughter, Lina Maria Suarez. She is 20 years old. She was born in Facatativá, but she lives in Bogota. He is a student chemical engineer at the National University of Colombia. She is a student of a master's degree in the same university. She has light brown, straight hair. She is slim, has fair skin, and she is not very tall. What are her hobbies? She likes sport. She's a skater. She likes to write fiction books, like Harry Potter. She has a pet named Susie Vainilla, and she likes to walk her in the park in the neighborhood. Bye.